Then I look for additional revenue opportunities. This is taking the property to its highest and best use. All right? Additional revenue opportunities. Can I put a vending machine? Can I put events? Can I put this? All these extra revenues come down to the bottom line. One of my students from New York bought a storage facility that makes X. And the entire goal, I told him, don't buy it without going. You got to go to see the neighborhood because the numbers look good for the property. When he went to see the neighborhood, his wife, he went with his wife, they said, oh my gosh, I don't know what happened with the luggage they had got all wet. So they stayed in the hotel, they asked, is there any washer and dryer in the hotel? It was broken. So they got in the car, listen to this, they drove around in the neighborhood looking for a washer and dryer, like one of these laundromats. They found none. The storage facility they're buying has a huge lot size next to it. They got the permit to put the washer and dryer, to put the laundromat. The laundromat makes as much as the storage facility. I mean, now like he's now entertaining, like, do I refinance? Do I sell it? Can I syndicate this? He's got like all these ideas. Now he's like, he's different. He went from being afraid to buy this building, to now he's like, the laundromat cost him like, even the machines he got, he leased the machines. He didn't even have to pay for them in full. Don't get too excited now, start a laundromat business. We're in the real estate business. Okay, I have people get excited in the storage facility. I saw in Storage War, this guy just bought in the show, he bought a whole storage thing, and then he got the stuff, then he put it on eBay, and he put it on Amazon. Look, if we're gonna talk about pennies, this is the wrong event, okay? I mean,